Hi, and welcome back to our on-demand videos for From Pipeline to Profit training series. My name is CJ Johnson. I'm a training specialist with the tech training team at Keller Williams. Today we're going to be talking about reoccurring deductions and how to manage them in your command account. So let's check it out. All right, as you can see, now I'm in my command account here, and the first place we need to go for managing these reoccurring deductions is just clicking on our name or picture in the upper right-hand corner. Now, once we do that, we can see that we're going to have an area to select settings. Okay, now I'm in my settings, and we can see we have several options to choose from on the left-hand side of the screen. We're going to go ahead and click on Command Settings, and we're going to select the option that says Opportunity Settings. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the option that says Reoccurring Deductions. Boom, there it is right there. So as you're in here, you'll see a little description at the top showing you why this is beneficial. Now, this is something you can manage and change in your Opportunities applet in the Offers and Commissions tab. You can do that as you're requesting or managing your commission. But right here, you have the benefit of automatically doing this so you don't have to manipulate or manage that each time you go into a transaction. So this is really saving you a lot of time. So I can have reoccurring deductions for KW Cares, KW Kids Can, which is really popular in our company, and also for Bold scholarships as well. You can select the dollar amount or percentage, and then plug in that dollar amount or percentage here. Okay, now you have another really cool feature and tip to have as you're utilizing and managing command for your business. You can go in and select these reoccurring deductions to make life a lot simpler for you. If you have any questions about this feature, please email our tech training team at learncommand@kw.com.